Hello everyone, my name is Lucy. Today I will talk about the way to help save property. Nowadays, as you see, there are many subcultures in my country, and a station because it's for people lying on the ground and begs to give some money. Then that begs the question: what's the way to help save property? Decided to make some way to help property, and these are as follows. First of all, we have to have a heart to donate or charity in many ways. Mm, you see, there are many fundraising campaigns in my school. It's called the Fruit of Romance. And I did it once when I was about 10. That day I didn't recognize or also I didn't have idea of that Fruit of Romance thing, but I took money off my wallet to buy some snacks after school. But at school I finally know there was the Fruit of Romance thing, so I paid it. But unfortunately, I am so sorry that I couldn't eat some snacks. But I didn't regret it because it was still one of the way to help the property. And second of all, we have to give some hope to them. I had in 10 years ago, there was the events of the UNICEF to give some letters or messages to poor kids. Um, I did it because it was my school homework, but I tried to write some letter very hopefully. I think if they get some letters or messages such as that, they will have some many confidence and also have hope of their future. So in conclusion, I think there are many ways to help the property. Thank you.